You know why I love French fries from McDonald's in barbecue sauce. And believe it or not, there's an OU stamp, Orthodox Union stamp. It's kosher, the barbecue sauce.
Really?
Yep. Peter, what's up with this?
This has a mind of its own. Oh, there's Mike.
Yo.
Right behind.
Yo. I think, Peter, you ever watch Poltergeist?
Maybe when I was younger.
It's like that.
Possessed.
This thing, it's possessed.
Has a mind of its own.
And don't be possessed. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Do it now. And he said he's just a friend. Oh, baby, you
Hopefully it doesn't get copyrighted.
got what I need. I don't give a shit. Say he's just a friend.
Pretty good say, though.
You know why I love French fries from McDonald's in barbecue sauce. And believe it or not, there's an OU stamp, Orthodox Union stamp. It's kosher, the barbecue sauce.
Really?
Yep. And their French fries are kosher too.
Oh,
Yeah, but you know what? When they fry it, it's only for French fries. It's legit,
oh wow.
according to my rabbi, at least. Yep.
So
And it's Lent, and you're having chicken.
You can have it once a day. You're amazing. you can have it once a day.
Okay, it's all
except
good.
for on Fridays and Ash Wednesday.
Okay. Peter, when's the last time you saw spinners?
I don't think I've ever seen one on a truck.
Spinners! I think he's stuck in the 1990s. You got spinners, buddy. I guess your rear shit don't spin though. What's up with that?
Appropriate music.
I know. We should fuck with him. We're gonna mess with him. You got spinners! You got spinners! You got spinners! Yeah! Spinners. Uranus. By the way, pieces of shit, by the way.
Yeah.
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? A little dialogue. Mikey effing Pipes with Peter. Peter's making a lot of strides in learning of the trades. And I got money on it before the summer. He's going to be in a truck. Problem is, I got to find one for you. I think you know, 2 sprinters at your parents' house.
Yeah,
It's gonna be tight.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll get you like a Chevy Express cargo van. It's small. It's nice. You know. Yep. And we're listening to Candlebox on Sirius XM, Channel 9, 90s on 9. I guess I'm not monetizing this video. It's all good. YouTube pays me enough money. I guess I can give some back. So we just left Far Rockaway. We're going back to the shop right now. A little slow right now. I think Daniel's running a few service calls, but I was very quiet this weekend. And even this morning, Daniel had nothing on his schedule. The other Mike, along with Peter and Frankie, we went to a YouTube subscriber in Bell Harbor, which is at almost the end of the Rockaway Peninsula in Queens in New York City. Replaced the lead bend, and that was fun. That was a lot of fun, but we got it done for them, and now we're heading to the shop. But just wanted to create a quick little video of just the nonsense that we run into driving. We even have the cam footage at a little before 8 this morning, and she had no ass. She had no ass, and I'll show you that. Got no ass. You got no ass, by the way. Saw that?
Shit, no ass.
That's right, Peter. Thanks for reminding me. See that sticker behind us? If you guys want a sticker like that, email me, Mike at mikeypipes.com. They're free. But if you're so inclined to donate to my CashApp, Zelle, or Venmo for the postage fund, I really appreciate it. Because you know what? They're not free. And 60 cents every time to mail them out in the U.S. is, it's cha-ching. Look at this. Why are you driving? What's wrong with this guy there? There's no one there. But he's not paying attention. People don't pay attention. Don't they? Like, this guy's from Florida. He wasn't honking his horn. Horn honker. I am proud to honk my horn. Right? If you need to get from point A to point B in an efficient manner as possible, you're a New Yorker. Otherwise, you're just putzing around.
Yeah.
We're not in Florida. We're not. Because this guy's retarded. Literally. Slow, yeah. Developmentally challenged. Yeah, developmentally doesn't know how to drive. Look, it's Alexander the Great. Good plumber. All right, let's go to the shop. We got to do some work with Frankie. And this right here, this is why we change anode rods. This water heater is a few years old. 2014. You change the anode rod, you'll double the life expectancy of the water heater. Right? Prevent tank failure. Change anode rod.